Hey Libra, this is Monica back from Intuitive Soul 78, my loves. So today I'm going to be doing your side-by-side reading, and it's going to be about you and your person, love reading for the month of October 2021. If anybody is in need of a love reading, a personal, or career, general, anything like that, you're more than welcome to email me. Everything will be in the description box that you need. Okay, loves, let's go ahead and get at it. So for feelings for your person, feelings for the person that my Libra is dealing with, October 2021. Okay, so they got two cards fall out. Their cards say, I want you, and finding out the truth crushed me. Okay. Alrighty. Okay, Libra, let's see what you get. For Libra, please, 2021, here we go. You guys got, you're the best thing in my life. So there sounds like, it sounds so far like there's something that happened that has you guys at an impasse right now. Let's go ahead and get into their thoughts. And then yours. What does Libra think about the relationship? What do they truly think about the relationship? Libra's person. The one that Libra's thinking about tonight. Libra's person, please, Spirit. 2021, October. Alright. Oh, okay. So, Libra, your person is feeling heartbroken. Here's your person's card. It says deeply hurt, sad, separation, breakup, and feeling lost. Grieving, mourning. So they're feeling pretty bad right now. Okay, let's pull yours. See what yours says. For Libra, please. What do they feel about the relationship? What do they think about it? So they think that this relationship is over. So you got the card not today. And your card says not dealing, hurt, avoiding conversation, a call or a person, boundaries, or still angry. So you're just not having it, not wanting to deal with the issue right now or issues. Let's find out what's most on your person's mind. What's most on the person's mind that my Libra are dealing with. Libra's person, please. October, what's on their mind? Okay, so community. They might be trying to get support from friends and family at this time. They may be a Pisces somewhere in the mix here. And for you, my beautiful Libra, what's most on Libra's mind? Yeah, they're turning to people for support, like family and friends, things like that, people in their community. And for you is your job, your work, your occupation. You might be dealing with a Cancer somewhere in this equation, or just have it heavy in your chart. Let's find out what Spirit wants for both of you guys. What's the lesson for Libra's person for October? What's the lesson, please? Libra's person, October 2021. What's their lesson? Libra's person, please, for love. Okay. So your person got the card self-esteem. And it says, I possess gifts of the soul that benefit me and others. Self-esteem. And for my Libras, please, Spirit, what do you want them to work on? What's their lesson for October 2021? For Libra, please. For Libra in love, October 2021. Wow, nothing wants to come out for you guys. You guys are perfect. For Libra, please. Oh, there it is. Oh, okay. You guys actually got two cards. So, excuse me. The first card you got is Death. It says, I am learning that endings are merely beginnings. So that's about change and transformation in one's life. And your second card says discipline. I can accomplish what I set my mind to. Those are the things that Spirit wants you to work on. So being disciplined, accepting that change is inevitable in all of our lives. You're not wanting to discuss what's going on or how you're feeling. Maybe you're not wanting to talk to your person at this moment. I feel a bit of anger or resentment as well there. Or maybe you just simply don't feel like talking about it, don't want to deal with it. Maybe you're too hurt to, and you're just focusing on your work. Your person, I feel like your person loves you and they're heartbroken about whatever is happening right now with you guys. Whether it's a separation or just a fight that you guys are going through. They're turning to other people for support. And Spirit here is really recommending or asking them to work on their self-esteem at this time. Alright, let's go ahead and find out what else is going on with the tarot. So the first card is going to be you. The second one will be your person. The third card will be what happened in the past. The fourth card will be what lies between you. And the fifth card is going to be the outcome. Or the potential outcome. Because nothing's set in stone with tarot ever. We all have free will. Okay. Let me shuffle it a couple more times. Show me what's going to happen with Libra in their love life. October 2021. Okay. Card number 1, please. What's the energy of Libra that they're bringing into the relationship? What is Libra bringing into the relationship? See if we can get one to come out. There we go. Beautiful. You guys got the Star card. This card is about hope. It's about healing. It's about being open with yourself, being, bearing your soul, listening to your intuition, following your dreams. Your energy is very beautiful. The only thing that I can think of on the negative for the Star card when it's in the upright, because she's nude, sometimes that can talk to somebody having problems with their, somewhere in their sexual life. There's some kind of tension or some sort of problem. But I see this as a very beautiful healing card. So I feel like you're trying to heal something within the relationship or within yourself, my loves, for Libra. You also may be letting go, healing, and moving on with your life, listening to your intuition, following your dreams. Maybe some of you guys have gotten a job in a different location, somewhere in another city, another state, and it's requiring you to leave behind your person or something like that. It also can be connections over social media. The Star card. For some of you guys, that's the case. Sometimes they can be challenging. Let's see what kind of energy your person is bringing into the relationship. So that's always very hopeful. Whoops, 2 came out. Okay, so for your person got the 4 swords in the reverse and the Ace of Wands in the reverse. Somebody, your person is very restless and very frustrated sexually. I'm sorry, but that's the kind of energy that I'm getting for them. Actually, I should put you guys the other way around. Yeah, let me do that. Here's your person, so all their cards are together. Here's you. Okay. So yeah, your person's feeling sexually frustrated. Your person also needs time to heal. They've lost their inspiration. They feel like this is a missed opportunity. For some of you guys, you are their dream come true, or their wish come true. You're a wish fulfillment of theirs. Your person's feeling really upset right now. Okay, they're feeling at a loss, my loves. Okay, what went on in the past? What led us to this point? What went on in the past? We have the Hangman. Again, Pisces energy. So the Hangman, I'm going to pull another one. The Hangman is a card about self-sacrifice. It's about viewing things from another person's perspective, putting yourself in their shoes, right? This could go for either one of you. In the past, maybe someone wasn't seeing the other person's point of view. Maybe they weren't letting go. Maybe they were holding on too tightly to control issues. Maybe they were not being self-sacrificing enough. Show me Hangman. What else went on in the past? Oh, crap. We got the Emperor in the reverse. So, this one is somebody who's super controlling. Someone who has to have their way. Somebody who oversteps their boundaries, oversteps their role in leadership, or their role, period. Somebody who can be in government, in power, in law enforcement, the judicial system. But they're both major arcana, so something shook up this relationship. And I feel like it was maybe somebody was too controlling in the relationship. That's what it feels like with those two cards. Somebody was way too controlling. Somebody wasn't willing to bend or to give. What lies between you now? What's in the now, please? What's in the now between Libra and their person? Oh, somebody's turned their back. Somebody's turning their back, and they're waiting for the ships to come in. They're waiting for something else. This is the vibe that I was getting when I was saying maybe somebody got a career opportunity, a job opportunity, and they're moving on and moving forward with their life and even having to leave this relationship behind simply. The Emperor could also be a boss. Somebody couldn't let go of their job, and they're following it. They're pursuing it here. Show me else what lies between them, please. What lies between these two people in this relationship? We have the Page of Cups. So you guys do have feelings for each other. You guys do care about each other. But for some of you guys, it's more of a friendship. Or it was just the beginning stages of the relationship. Or that's where you're at right now. I feel like your person is the one that was maybe too controlling, couldn't let go of control issues, and you walked away from it. Right now, what lies between you, one of you guys have turned your back on the relationship or the person, and the other person is still wanting it. How much or how far they'll go to express that, I'm either trying to show you like in small ways, but they ain't making no big, giant gestures to get you back right now. For those of you that are in separation, or you guys are having a timeout or something like that here. What's the outcome? What's coming up for the future for Libra and their person, please? We got the Two of Wands in reverse. This is somebody who's refusing to make a decision. This is somebody who makes their money illegal. This is somebody who doesn't feel like they are, you know, captain of their ship or king of their throne or whatever when it's in the reverse. This person, you guys are still at an impasse. You guys don't know what to do. Either you or your person, one of you guys or both of you guys don't know what to do or how to fix this. Can you get another card, please? It can mean demise. It can mean failure. One more card, please, for the future, for the outcome. The Hierophant in reverse. Yeah, this is not something that's going to be long-standing or that's going to stand the test of time. We got the Hierophant in reverse. Somebody's rebellious. Somebody's doing things in non-traditional ways. Somebody's not wanting marriage, not wanting to commit right now. Somebody may have commitment issues. For some of you guys, you're just simply putting your career in front of your relationship. To each his own, you know. Let me get a card of advice from the Romance Angels. And then I'm going to get connect your soul cards. That's not what they're called. They're called... oh my goodness, what's the word? I can't think of it. Hold on one sec. Manifest soulmate oracle cards. Manifest your soulmate oracle cards. Okay. Women's angels, what is the advice you have for Libra? What is the advice for Libra? Pay attention to the red flags. The signs are cautioning you. Okay. Remember, this is general, so I can resonate with everybody, and the roles can be reversed. And for Libra's person, please, what is their message? Whoops. Passion. Allow your heart and soul to sing with joy. Okay. So that's about allowing their heart and their soul to sing with joy. I was feeling that sexual frustration earlier that was coming off of your person's side. I think that they really missed that with you. They missed the passion with you. But I think that for some of you guys who are in a relationship that you feel that's all your person wanted, being controlling and being sexually frustrated, turning your back. This is kind of like someone, I feel like someone even gave an ultimatum. Like, it's your job or me, or it's this or it's that. Trying to give you an ultimatum. That shit ain't cool. With the controlling, especially with the control issues that are coming out here, the Emperor in reverse can be somebody that's vicious as well. That's abusive. This is totally passive aggressive right here. Or passive and aggressive. But that's what I'm getting from you guys. Somebody's very aggressive and somebody's very passive here. I feel like you might be the passive one and your person is the aggressive one. And you're trying to heal from that. Just moving on with your life. Doing what you gotta do. And manifest a soulmate card. I finally said it right. Woo, for Libra. It says, the more loving care you give yourself, the more love you have to give to others. Beautiful. So this is what you're doing right now. You're putting yourself and your needs first. And for your person, for Libra's person, please, Spirit. Harmony is pure love, for love is in complete agreement. Harmony is pure love, for love is complete agreement. Yeah. About agreement, not about, it's not about tactics of manipulation or demands or giving one ultimatums. So I think that whoever's on the side of pursuing themselves, their well-being, their future, their career, things like that, and pulling away from this possessive, controlling energy, I think that you're doing the right thing. Yep. Okay, my Libras, that's the reading I got for you guys tonight. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to hit that like, share, subscribe button, or the notifications as well if you want to see the next time I upload a video. I love you guys. Good night.